Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to change text scaling in Google Chrome on your mobile device. This is a simple but really helpful adjustment that can make web pages easier to read, especially if you find the default text size too small or too large. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make Chrome display text in a way that feels just right for you. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. This is the browser most of us use daily, and tweaking the settings just a little can make a big difference in comfort while browsing. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Go ahead and tap on those three dots to bring up your options. From the drop-down, find and select Settings. This will open up a new screen with all the customization tools Chrome offers. Now, scroll down until you see Accessibility. This is where Chrome stores features that let you tailor your browsing experience. Tap on the Accessibility option to open it. Inside, you'll notice a text scaling slider. This is the key setting we're looking for. By moving the slider to the right, you increase the text size across web pages, which is great if you want larger, more readable text. Moving it to the left will reduce the size for those who prefer a more compact layout. As you drag the slider, Chrome shows you a quick preview, so you can instantly see how your adjustments will look. Take a moment to test it until the text feels comfortable for your eyes and screen size. Once you've set it where you want, that's it. There's no save button needed. Just back out of the menu, and your changes will take effect the next time you browse. And that's how you change text scaling in Chrome Mobile. It's a small tweak, but it really improves the browsing experience, especially if you spend a lot of time reading articles or doing research on your phone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to adjust these settings and make Chrome work better for you. Thanks for watching.